Hello and welcome to the channel. I just refurbished the engine for this lawnmower I plan to sell. I completely tore down the engine, cleaned it, and painted it. On today's episode, I will show you how to rebuild a Briggs Stratton 3 to 500 series vertical engine. Let's get started. I already disassembled the engine. I will proceed to gently grind off the carbon deposits and old gasket materials from the engine's block and head. Then I will work my way to cleaning the valves and so forth. I am using a 1-inch brass wire-end brush with a 1/4 inch shank mounted in my drill's chuck. Make sure you are wearing your safety glasses to avoid eye injuries. I will conclude this episode by washing all of the parts in cleaner degreaser off camera, and I will join you on part 2 where I will begin to reassemble the engine.